Relative to the origin, point A, B, C have position vector of this respectively. All distance are measured in km. A man drives at a constant speed directed from A to B in 20 minutes. So this is the time. Okay, but we have km and hour, so we will change the time to hour, 20 over 60 hour, and actually it's 1 over 3 hour. So we want to find the speed from A to B. So from A to B, we want to find the position vector. So this is OB minus OA. So we have the negative 10, 12 minus the 5, 4. So we have negative 15 and 8 here. So the distance of AB is actually the magnitude of AB. So this will be the square root of negative 15 squared plus 8 squared. Then we have 17 km. This is the distance. So we want to find the speed. So the speed will be the distance over time. 17 over 17 km over 1 over 3 hour. Then it will become 51 km per hour. Okay. Next, he now drives directly from B to C at the same speed. Find how long it takes him to drive from B to C. So the B to C, we find the vector BC. So vector BC will be the OC minus OB, 6, negative 18, minus the negative 10, 12. Okay. Then this will be the vector of the BC. Okay, so BC is actually OC minus OB. So we have the 16 and then negative 30. So the distance will be the magnitude of BC will be the square root of 18, 16 square plus the negative 30 square. So it will be 34. Okay, so we have the square root of 16 square plus 30 square, then is 34. Yes. Okay. Why I can get the answer without using the calculator? Because I know that we have the 8, 15, 17 is the triple in the Pythagoras theorem. So 2 times of this will be 16, 30, 34 here. Okay. So this is the distance and the speed is 51 km per hour. So if you want to find the time, so now we want to find the time. We have the DST. So time is distance over speed. So the distance is 34 km and the speed is 51 km per hour. Then this is 2 over 3 hour. That is the 40 minutes. Okay. Because the 2 over 3 times 60 minutes, it will become the 40 minutes. Okay. So this is 40 minutes. Question number 22. In the diagram, vector AB is 4A. Vector BC is B. And the DC is 7A. So from here, we know that the AB is actually parallel to the DC. Okay, they are parallel. And the AC and BD intersect at X. Find in terms of A, DA. So we want to find the DA. DA is from D to A. So DA is from D to A. I can have D to C, and then C to B, and then B to A. Okay, so this is 7A minus B minus 4A. Then we have the 3A minus B. Okay, so this is 3A minus B. And then this is DA. Next, you want to find DB. DB is from D to B. then it will be the DC plus CB, then it's a 7A minus B. Okay, 7A minus B. So this will be the dB. And next, we want to find the, it's given that AX is equal to the lambda AC. So AX is the lambda of AC. So AC is what? AC we find here. No, we don't have the AC here. So AC is from A to C, that is A to B plus the B to C. It is 4A plus B. Okay, so this will be the AC. So we have the lambda, this one is the lambda of AC. So it will be the lambda of 4A plus B. Then I have the 4 lambda A plus lambda B. Next, we want to find the dx from D to X. Okay, so just now we have this one is AX. AX, A to X. We have AX here. Now the question asks us to find the D to X. So we know that the D to X is actually D to A plus the A to X. We don't have the D to A, but we can find the dA using DC plus CB plus BA, which is we have done it dA in the part A already. Normally, this kind of vector question, they are guided. So what we get at the first part there, okay, part A, part B, normally will be used in the following part. So the dA is actually 3A minus B. So this is the 3A minus B. dA is the 3A minus B. And then the AX is what we find at C here. That is the 4 lambda A plus lambda B. So this will be the 3 plus 4 lambda A, and then plus the -1 plus lambda B. It's given that dx is mu dB. So dx is mu dB. So dx is mu dB. So dB, we also find dB here. Okay. So the dx is equal to mu dB. Then we have 7 mu A minus mu B. Okay. So from the previous part, this one, we also find the dx is equal to this. So this is dx that we find. Okay. So we have two versions of dx. Okay. So this is what we find in the part D there. So both of these are dx. So we can compare the coefficient. So we have the 7 mu equal to 3 plus 4 lambda. This is the first equation. Then we have the negative mu equal to -1 plus lambda. So we have the lambda is 1 minus mu. Okay, we move this -1 in front. So this is equation number 2. So we sub equation number 2 into the equation number 1. We have 7 mu plus 3. 7 mu equal to 3 plus 4, 1 minus mu. Then 3 plus 4 minus 4 mu. Then we have the 11 mu equal to 7. Then mu equal to 7 over 11. And we sub mu equal to 7 over 11 into equation 2. Then the lambda will be 1 minus 7 over 11. Will be 4 over 11. Okay. That. So we have the lambda is 4 over 11 and the mu is 7 over 11. Okay. Okay. We have 4 points OABC. OA is 5A, OB is 15B, OC is 24B minus 3A. We need to show that B is lie on AC. So we have the AC here. Okay, AC. So B is lie on the we need to show that B is lie on AC. So we find the vector of AC. AC will be the OC minus OA. That is 24B minus 3A minus 5A. Then it is 24 minus 8A. And then we want to find the AB will be the OB minus OA. Then this will be the 15B minus 5A. So we can factorize the 5. Then we have the B minus 3B minus A. And this one, we also can factorize the 8. Then we have the 3B minus A. So over here, we use the AC over the AB. It will be the 8 times 3B minus A over the 5 times 3B minus A. Then it is 8 over 5 AB. So AC is 3 over 5 AB. Okay. So from here, we know that the ABC are, from here we can say that B lies on the line AC. So B lies on the line AC. Okay, so A, B, C are collinear. So question 24. Relative to an origin, the position vector of P is I minus 4j, and the position vector of Q is 3I plus 7j. So we want to find the vector of PQ. So to find the vector of PQ, okay, we have the OQ minus the OP. So OQ is 3, 7. This is 1, negative 4. So we have the 2, 11. Okay. So the magnitude of PQ will be the square root of 2 squared plus 11 squared. Okay. So we have the square root of 2 squared plus 11 squared. Then we have the 5 square root 5. Okay. So we want to find a unit vector in the direction of PQ. So this will be the 1 over 5 square root 5 and then the 2I plus 11j. Okay. Okay. The position vector of M M is the midpoint of the PQ. So M is the midpoint of PQ. So we know that if the M is the midpoint of PQ, this is P and this is Q, the M is midpoint of PQ, then we will say that the PM will be the half of the PQ. So PM is the OM minus the OP. It will be the 1 over 2 of the PQ. So PQ is what? PQ is 211. So 211. And then OP is what? OP is 1, negative 4. 1, negative 4. So the OM will be the half. I just multiply this one will be 1 and then 5.5 plus the OP. OP is 1, negative 4. 1, negative 4. So we have the 2, 1.5. So it is the 2I plus 1.5j. Question number 25. The position vector AB relative to AO is A and B. So we know that O to A will be A. And then the O to B is B. Okay. So for this one, the P is OP equal to mu OA and OQ equal to lambda OB. And the AQ and BP intersect at point R. We want to express the AQ in terms of the lambda and AB. AQ is okay. So they want to have the lambda here. So we use the OQ is the lambda OB. OB is what? OB is the B. OB is B. So we know that the OQ is lambda B. Okay. So we know that the OQ is lambda B. Now we want to have the AQ. So AQ will be A to O plus O to Q. Okay. A to O plus O to Q. So A to O is what? A to O will be the negative A. So it will be negative A plus lambda B. We want to find BP in milk. So the OQ, OP. So we have the OP is mu of OA. So it will be the mu A. Okay. So for this one, the question wants us to find the BP. So BP will be the BO plus OP. BO is actually negative B plus mu A. So this will be the mu A minus B. Next, it's given that 3AR equal to AQ and 8BR equal to 7BP. So the lambda there, we have the lambda is here. That is the AQ. So the AQ, we have lambda here. So this is the AQ that we will use here. So this one, they tell us that the 3AR equal to AQ. So we know that the AR will be the 1 over 3 of AQ. Then it will be a 1 over 3 of negative A plus lambda B. Then we have negative 1 over 3A plus lambda over 3B. So we want to have the OR. So OR will be O to A plus A to R. OA is A. And then AR is this negative 1 over 3A plus lambda over 3B. Then we have the 2 over 3A plus lambda over 3B. Okay. Next, we have the BP is this. And we also know that the this one, the 8BR equal to the 7BP. So BR will be the 7 over 8 of BP. So the BR will be the 7 over 8 of negative B plus mu A. Then we have the 7 over 8 mu A minus 7 over 8 B. So we want to have the OR is the OB plus BR. OB is B. And then the BR will be the 7 over 8 mu A minus 7 over 8 B. Then it will be 7 over 8 mu A plus 1 over 8 B. So last, the question will ask us to find the value of mu and lambda. Okay, so over here, we find the value of OR. This is the OR. And then At the same time, we also have the OR is this. Okay. So both of these are OR. So we can compare the OR here. Okay, the OR given here. So the OR, we compare the X, the coefficient of A. So we have 2 over 3 equal to 7 over 8 mu. Then the mu will be the 2 plus 8 over 7 times 3 times 7. So it will be the 16 over 21. And we have the lambda over 3 equal to 1 over 8. Then the lambda will be 3 over 8. So we have the mu is 16 over 21 and the lambda is 3 over 8. That